Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Jamaica's banks and cambios signed the Foreign Exchange Global Code of Conduct today. The symbolic signing means that all financial players in the foreign exchange market agree to abide by the global standards.
The Global Code provides a common set of guidelines to promote the integrity, the transparency, and the effective functioning of the foreign exchange market, which is a vital part of the global financial system and has a turnover of more than $5 trillion every single day.
The signing is part of the Bank of Jamaica's reform of the foreign exchange market, which began in 2017. Central Bank Governor Brian Winter notes that the signing will also strengthen confidence in the foreign exchange market.
We are confident that this move will support an improvement in the public's faith in the foreign exchange market. And now that we are a part of the Global Code, this is a signal that Jamaica is open and ready for business.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.08. The Canadian dollar closed at $102.60. Sterling sold for $168.20, while the euro ended trading at $154.95. The JC index lost 3,710 points today, while the junior market index is up 41 points. Stocks posting gains include Limna's and Bard's, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Pulse Investments, Paramount Trading, and Victoria Mutual Investments. On the losing side were Siboney Group, JMMB Group, Wigton Wind Farm, Proven Investments, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.